Today I'm going to be talking about courage and how to ask for what you want directly. Asking for what you want directly is a courageous act, and taking initiative and asking for what you want directly with respect takes a lot of courage. And it takes some vulnerability too, because you might hear the word no. And no represents bad stuff to all of us. No represents disappointment. No might represent rejection. Hey, some people even think that the word no means you don't love me. Dr. Cloud, the author of Boundaries and How and When to Say No, explained it like this. He says that love is a continuum and is always there. It's always there. But no is there also. But when a person says no, the love continues. So part of a relationship with people is you love people, but sometimes you got to say no to people. No is simply a word that means I need to set a limit with you. It doesn't mean I reject you. It doesn't mean I don't love you. Yes, you may be disappointed, but you're going to have to learn to own your own disappointment. Own your disappointment. I get disappointed. We all get disappointed. Disappointment is part of life. But take ownership of that. Sometimes when I get disappointed, if I look a little bit deeper, it's just really I feel entitled. And I have to think, okay, why do I feel this way? I don't deserve anything from anybody. I don't owe anybody anything. I have the right to ask for what I want, and other people have the right to say yes or no to my request. Resist hinting. Many of us hint about what we want, or we assume the other person should know based upon who knows what, hints, I guess. But nobody can read your mind. Being courageous and vulnerable, ask directly for what you want. You have the right to ask for what you want, and other people have the right to say no. Hey, I hope this video helped you today, and God bless.